What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about 3 different mining stocks today and a crypto ETF, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to be going over CLSK and Marathon for balloons, and then BTBT for bubbles. We're also going to go over DAP for Nicolio. So, with that, let's get started. CLSK here, looking really good. Hell of a reversal this week, man. I very much did expect you to go lower. I still kind of do. It's what you've done this whole time, right? I keep referring to this, but could you look to be breaking this habit, this consistent cycle that you're seeing, and not pull back to this area? Perhaps, man. Perhaps that is a very bullish reversal, you guys. That's what they call a bullish hammer, I'm pretty sure. And the hammer is not going to drop. It's likely not going to drop. I mean, to be fair, you kind of have like a head and shoulders look right here. You kind of do, like left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's a pretty, you've got a shrugged up right shoulder, and that's not common at all. So that could be like a failed head and shoulders pattern. 3-hour RSI does look a little bit bearish. I don't know, man. I'm still inclined to believe that you will see these prices down here below $12. Just maybe it's not next week. Maybe you have slightly higher highs to go first. Maybe you want to move up to $26, $31 first, and then you pull back. That'd be somewhat of a hefty pullback, but I mean, let's see. Even at $31.20, that's a pretty hefty pullback in comparison to the rest of these pullbacks. So I don't know. Time will tell, man, I suppose. Having a hard time with this one. The weekly RSI is very bullish. I will say that. I do think it looks very bullish. The daily RSI also looks pretty bullish, so I do think it wants to continue going higher from here. I do. You've got... let's see how next week goes, man, because you might be in the midst of a setup that could be like double bearish divergence, and then you get a rejection from here. I think you want to go up higher from here. Just are you going to go higher than this high? That remains to be seen. So let's keep an eye on it. I do think you open up the week upwards to the upside, right? I think you go up higher, but can you get overbought again? Can you break this lower high in your RSI trend? If you can, then good. If you can't, then not good. That's CleanSpark. Let's go over Marathon. It's not really a certainty in the TA this time around. I mean, it's never a certainty, but not really confident with that. This daily, I mean, that's a nice 7% pump to close the week off, but I think you want to go lower. I do. I think the same thing stands for Marathon as we've been going over. This kind of reassures me that CleanSpark will go below $12 probably at some point soon. If not next week, the week after. Yeah, I think you want to go to $20 to $19 for Marathon. I'm pretty confident in that. So that's Marathon. BTBT, Bit Digital, also looking like you want to go lower. Yes. I think you want to go back to like $2, man. You're at $2.40 right now. You could go all the way back down to $1.50 even. Let's look for $2 for support, though. That's BTBT. And let's finish this bad boy up with DAP. You said it's an ETF, VanEck Digital Transfer. Oh, so it's not a crypto ETF, I don't think. Or is it digital transfer? I don't know. Maybe it is crypto. I have no idea. Investment trust, mutual funds. Okay. Well, I mean that's an ETF for you, but I don't know. Let's look at it. Hold on. Real quick, we'll look at this too. Why not? Extreme greed. Wow. Okay. Nice. What is DAP ETF? Comes up with crypto, so maybe it is a crypto thing. Digital asset economies. Okay, yeah. Okay. Which makes sense because DAP is a decentralized app, right, in crypto. Looking at this thing, I'm just glad that we're talking about something that's crypto related in the crypto mining stock video. That was my main thing. I like the weekly RSI. It does look like you want to go higher. You have ascending lows with a flat top here. You just broke above your 123 moving average. Yeah, I do. I think you want to go higher. You're consolidating right now around previous areas of support, kind of finding resistance at it. It's common. You're going to go higher, very likely going to go higher. When is the question? the more immediate terms, I would look for this 1460 to 1790 area. I want to see what you've done for yourself here. Maybe we'll just use this one real quick. Went to the almost the 1414, so yeah, maybe closer to that 1580 to 1460 area is probably where you're going to go. Potentially all the way up to about $18, but it wouldn't be crazy. You know, you've got your weekly closing high right here. Nope, I had it and then it moved. I don't know why. Right there, right below your 1414. That's where you topped off here from this high low is right below your 1414. So maybe you go to 1537 on the dot, find resistance there, work your way up, consolidate there for a little bit as well, and then continue to move up. But I think you want to move up higher. If you move lower, not lower than that low, you're not going to go below. I doubt you go below $10. If you do, it's going to be barely. But you've got pretty significantly higher prices to go. So yeah, looks good. That's all I got to say, guys. So if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more from me. I very much appreciate everybody who does, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.